Good morning, children. Once again, I welcome you all to your Western music class. I hope you all are fine and you are learning and excelling through these music videos that I am sending. Children, in the last video lesson, we learned a very famous number, 500 miles. I hope you all enjoyed learning that song. In today's video lesson, we are going to learn a very important hymn. And the title of the hymn is Like a Sunflower. Why is it so important? Because it is mentioned in our school diary. I know this session, because of COVID, you all have not got your school diary, but there is nothing to worry. I am sharing the lyrics of this hymn in the description box. You can learn the lyrics from the description box so that there is no confusion while singing the song. Okay, so let's start without any delay. Before starting, I would like to tell you one more important thing. Children, when I use the word hymn, some of you must be having this question in your mind as well, that what is a hymn? So I just want to answer this question. Hymn is a song in praise of God. Okay, like whenever we sing a song in praise of God, a song in which we praise God, a song in which we talk about God, that particular song is termed or called as hymn. 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 Okay. So children, let's start with Like a Sunflower. Okay. Now children, I'm starting with the very first part of this hymn. Okay. And I'll be singing it without proper rhythm first, okay, on plucking, so that you can understand. Like a sunflower that follows every movement of the sun. Like a sunflower that follows every movement of the sun. So I turn towards you to follow you, my God. So I turn towards you to follow you, my God. Okay, children, this is the first verse of the song, the first part. Okay, one more time I'm singing. Okay, and after that I'll be singing with proper rhythm. Okay. Like a sunflower that follows every movement of the sun. Like a sunflower that follows every movement of the sun. So I turn towards you to follow you, my God. So I turn towards you to follow you, my God. Okay. Now, children, this hymn is very easy. It has very short verses, so there's nothing to worry much. You just have to understand the tune of the first verse, and the tune of all the three verses will be same. So there's nothing like a verse with a different tune or something like that in this hymn as well. Okay. Now, first verse we have done. I'm singing now the first verse without any music so that you can understand, and I'll go a bit slow so that you can catch the words properly. Okay, so I'm decreasing the tempo, the speed of the song. Like the hymn. Like a sunflower that follows every movement of the sun. Like a sunflower that follows every movement of the sun. So I turn towards you to follow you, my God. So I turn towards you to follow you, my God. Okay? Now let me sing with proper rhythm. 1, 2, 3, sing. Like a sunflower that follows every movement of the sun. Like a sunflower that follows every movement of the sun. So I turn towards you to follow you, my God. So I turn towards you to follow you, my God. Okay. Now children, in this is the first verse. So in this verse, there is, like you can say, there are many differences when we come to the lyrics. In all the other three verses, apart from this verse, there is only a minute change, a very small change, okay, that you have to mark, and all the verses will be, all the rest three verses will be very easy for you, okay. So let me teach you the second verse now. So the second verse is, first I'm singing with plucking. Children, I have taught you many times what is plucking. So I'm teaching one more time. This process in which I'm touching individual wires of the guitar and I'm not striking all of them together. I'm just touching one wire at a time individually. This process is called plucking. Okay, this is a process of learning instruments, especially while playing guitar or while playing other string instruments, but I just tell you for your knowledge, okay, so that there is no term whose meaning is known to you all. Okay, now I'm teaching you the second verse, okay, please pay attention. In simplicity, okay, let me start again. In simplicity, honesty I follow. Okay, what is it? In simplicity, honesty I follow. In simplicity, honesty I follow. In simplicity, honesty I follow. Okay? Okay? In simplicity, honesty I follow. In simplicity, honesty I follow. Okay? Children, this is what I am doing is I am adjusting the tuning of the guitar. Okay, this happens while playing. Sometimes the tuning gets disturbed, so you have to adjust it also. Okay, so this is what I am doing now. Again, let's get back to the second verse. In simplicity, honesty I follow. In simplicity, honesty I follow. So I turn towards you to follow you, my God. So I turn towards you to follow you, my God. Okay, so this is your second verse. Now I am singing from the beginning till the second verse, children, for you all. Okay, and in this video lesson we are going to learn this much only, that is the first and the second verse. In the second half of this video lesson we are going to learn the third and the fourth verse, and we are going to complete the hymn. Okay, so let's start. Like a sunflower that follows every movement of the sun. Like a sunflower that follows every movement of the sun. So I turn towards you to follow you, my God. So I turn towards you to follow you, my God. In simplicity, honesty I follow. In simplicity, honesty I follow. So I turn towards you to to follow you, my God. So I turn towards you to follow you, my God. Okay, so these are the first two verses of this hymn. Okay, now let me tell you something about the rhythm of this hymn also. Children, this particular hymn has been composed on swing rhythm. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Have you ever noticed a swing? How does the swing move? 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. This is how a swing moves. So similar is the motion, or similar are the strokes in this rhythm also. Please listen carefully. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Like a sunflower that follows every movement of the sun. Okay? So this hymn has been composed on swing rhythm. Okay? So now I hope this much is clear, and I will be sharing the lyrics of the first and the second verse of the hymn in the description box, as usual, like I always do. So you can get the lyrics from there. You can note them down, or you can learn from the description box itself. Okay, so that while singing there is no confusion. So take care, children. We'll meet in the next video lesson with the rest of the two verses, and after completing both those two verses, we'll be finishing the hymn. Okay, so stay musical. God bless you all, and keep learning.